Hello, good evening. This is R.D. Sharma book exercise 7.1, and actually today I am uploading this video. This video is related values of trigonometric function sum or difference. Okay, all questions are related to sum or difference. How will we get the value if the question is given sum and difference? Okay, firstly, one question, we know the sum of difference, that some identity is sin a plus b, cos a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a minus b, tan a plus b, tan a minus b. Okay, so the how will we get the answer, and the question, which type of question will be given in the examination, so that you see. You see in R.D. Sharma book 7.1, there is number 1 is if the number 1 question is if sin A is 4 by 5 and cos B is B is equal to 5 by 13, where A small greater than 0 and B is smaller than 90, find the value of sin A plus B, cos A plus B. Okay. The number question number 1, the pattern is same as question number 2, question number 3. So that today I will do question number 1, and the first bit and second bit I will do the same process will be, you will be get the answer by the question number 3 and question number 2. And question number 4 is there is some different pattern, but the formula is same but different pattern. And if I will do the question number 4, then you will get the same pattern is question number 5 and 6. Okay, so that today I will do question number 1 and question number 4, and question number 4 by the question number 1 you will get the number 2 and 3 all are, and question number 4 you will get the 5 and 6. Okay, now 5 will go to question number 1. Actually the question is given here, if sin A 4 by 5 and cos B 5 by 13. Okay, so the how will you find sin A plus B? How will you find the sin A plus B? First to see, if the question is given sin, the question is given to find out sin A plus B. Okay, sin A plus B is question given, so that how will you put sin A plus B means we know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, this is important to know. Actually here is but the given, the question is given sin A value given, sin A 4 by 5 given and cos B 5 by 13 given, but we need for apply this identity, we need sin A cos B and cos A sin B. But question is given only sin A is given and cos B is given. So the sin B is not given, cos A also not given. So that we will find now sin B and cos A. We have to find this. These two value we have to find. How will we find? If sin A is given, if sin A given, cos A, how will we get? If sin A given, then cos A how? Okay, how will we get that? If sin A given, sin B how? No, sin A given, so the first will you get the cos A. Okay, the cos A. How will you get the cos A? Cos A is equal to, we know that 1 minus sin square A whole load over. Because we know that sin square theta, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this identity we get to know. Okay. So that if cos A, what is the cos A value? Now 1 minus sin square A, Sine value is 4 by 5. Sine square A means 4 by 5 whole square. Are you getting understand? Very easy, but you have to know that how we have to calculate. Then the value will be 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square, that is cos A equal to, what will the value? Cos A is equal to 1 minus 16 by 25 whole root over equal to what? Cos A value 25 minus 16 by 25 equal to 9 by 25 root over, that is 3 by 5. So now we get the value cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. From sin A to cos A now we get. Same from cos A to sin A. Now from cos B to sin B we have to get. But cos B is given 5 by 13. How will you get sin B? Now sin B is equal to 1 minus cos square B. Same. Okay. 1 minus cos square B means cos value what is given? 5 by 13 whole square. Okay. So that root over 1 minus 25 by 13 square is equal to 169 is equal to 169 minus 25 by 169 whole root over, that is equal to 12 by 13. Now we get the value sin A cos B, sin A cos A and sin B cos B. So that now sin A 4 by 5, sin A 4 by 5, cos A okay, sin A 4 by 5, cos A, what we get now? Cos A 3 by 5, sin B 5 by 13 and cos B, that is cos B minus 5 by 13, that is cos B, sin B 12 by 13. Okay, now we got our value. Now we will put sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B, sin A cos B, then plus cos A sin B. Now only we will put the value sin A 4 by 5 into cos B 12 by 13 plus cos A 3 by 5 into sin B, sin A cos B and sin B. This is sin B. So cos A sin A cos B, cos A sin B 12 by 13 equal to 65, 48, sin A cos B, we will write some mistake, 20 plus 36 by 65, that is 65 56. This is get the answer. You see, So that same we will do the cos A plus B. Same we will do the cos A plus B. Same will be cos A plus B formula. Okay, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. We know that. So that firstly we will be find the cos A value given, and so that we will find the cos A value will be we have to find, and sin B also we will find. After then we will be all value now we get that, so that every question answer same pattern we can able to do. Okay. Firstly we have to get the cos A sin A cos B sin B. After then we will get the all answer. Okay. This process will follow. This is question number 1. So that same we will be apply question number 2, question number 3 in addition of books. Okay, same process will be applied and same you will get the answer. Okay, if you are getting some doubts, okay, just to message me, and in here is my WhatsApp number. Just to message me. I will take care about you, and I will take a time and I will teach you. Okay, how it will do properly. Okay, if you are getting some doubts, I think you will not get any. You will not get any doubts. Okay. Now we will go. So the number 4. Okay. So this one video I will just uploading, and the next video I will upload sometime later. Okay.